But this is the best way forward. On suspension,
Chief Secretary ke Jylla Bah DP Wahlang hynne kasing baar ur Leit iakynduh ki samla pule iakhih NEHU but kyntu bakin pynsangeh shuwa shipor ya ke jingiakhih katba iaid ke jingtohkit ke inquiry committee. Ya Chief Secretary lasan randa ke Director General of Police ke Jylla kong ida shisha nongrang lembat ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills kong RM Kurba. Kisamla puli ke NEHU hapo kalama jam ke NEHU Students Union but KSU NEHU unit kilasha tangan klemput mentala khatsan sngi bendawa hershuki yo Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla but benwengkam mardor yo Registrar but Deputy Registrar. What happened ke jingtong ke Ministry of Education ya ke Inquiry Committee ki armut kit khot bentohkit ya ki jingkeno penyaid kambakla but jingbomla terekam ki board penyaid ke NEHU kisamla puli ke lerai ben penpeteng bait ya ke jingsha tangan kat bempet weng yo Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla na NEHU.
with the specific objective of requesting the students to suspend their education pending the completion of the inquiry. So I had a word with all of them and I've told them the reasons why they should suspend the education, and I'm confident and I hope that they will sit together with the different organizations who are agitating and they'll suspend during the period of inquiry. That is the only purpose of coming here. I've come here on behalf of the state government and also on my personal behalf. Both me and the Director General of Police